Yeah. Previously on Kimba TV. I would be so down to take this long, but Bitcoin hasn't tapped point of control yet, though. Oh man, I'm gonna get left at the train station. I'm kind of feeling it. Fuck. I'm gonna just be a little bit more patient. All right. First things first. What's going on with let me take a look here. Did it break 29? Okay. Yeah. Just a sweep it. Is Sato still in a long? Is his ass still in a long? I thought maybe it would get a little bit higher, but Sato's still in a long, bitch, right? Interesting candle formation. I thought for sure 29 would have gotten broken. Where's the TPO value area low? Isn't it like 28950-ish? Let's put like a pink line just for shits and giggles. I want to see if that line gets tapped. 289. It's like 28950, 28970, right? What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Zoxon, what's going on, brother? Good morning. Verendus, you know the way. 83 says, look at dot. Okay. Yeah, but remember, I'm trying to be patient for a sweep of this bitch. I would like to get the full box fill. I'm trying to be patient. It is golden pocketing right now, though. I think Bitcoin still needs to break 29. I'm just getting caught up on charts. Did I miss like news or anything? I guess we'll just be patient. Yeah, because tapping that TPO value area low for like a sweep and hitting the POC would have been better. I don't know what the fuck this is. Yeah. Anyways, let's just watch S&P, because losing this golden pocket would be really, really bad, as we all know. Yeah, if S&P is going to lose that, it's probably going to head towards 44 hundo, and then that might allow Bitcoin to do the sweep. Yeah, totally acceptable to still be filled on a Bitcoin long, but the juiciest thing would be like that 850, 870 TPO tap. This front running that's going on for the POC is real weird. I kind of actually feel it's like a little bit bearish because it's like all these retail trying to protect or something. I don't know. Can't get above Big Daddy Golden Pocket. Sing it if you know it, y'all. Come on. All right, let's go look each. Let me see if I can do a dono for him. $2.50. Is he listening to the same song we are? Oh, did he disable donos? Oh, he disabled donos. Wait. This isn't even live. What the fuck? I got tricked. Oh, he's not even streaming. Why did I just give him a dono? Fuck. I was going to say Kimba Gang get nasty. Okay, well, let's... Hodu, you're in a Blaze long? Oh, God. He is in a long? Okay, yeah. Sato's not in a position. Is this live? Sato short. All right, interesting. Snap diddly SMPP. All righty. Okay, so we did the TA on the Kimchi gang, so... James AP, Dapool says he's only longing BLZ. Okay, yeah, we still have the other BTS member in a long, so if he goes short, then I think we're set. Mandela says some Chad aped on the sweep and saved 29K. Yeah, it's weird. It should get tapped at some point. I'm really interested in the 950, or I gotta load up parallels again. I don't have my Addis up right now on this computer. But the last time I looked, can somebody confirm that the TPO value area low is like 950, 970, right? Oh, Waridu says 28976. Yeah, somewhere around there, right? That's why I said 28950. Because on some exchanges it's a little bit higher, some exchanges it's a little bit lower, right? Some of you guys have 30, some of you guys have 26, some of you guys have 70. It kind of changes depending on the time frame and the exchange, right? So I'm gonna just call it 950, give or take 50 bucks. Yeah, but let's see what the TPO value area low reaction looks like, right? This whole thing, whether it's this or this or this is why I don't care to get in the long, because I know that I have to babysit this bitch because it's coming right back. And even if I did take these longs, you know damn well I'm just getting round tripped anyway. So that's why this isn't worth my time, this long right here. It's a little bit too difficult. It's not as clear as all the other ones. So yeah, but if you guys are getting in this long, I'm rooting for you. Math is the math, so we'll see what the reaction look like. At the end of the day, I would love to get that 28.5 sweep, right? So nothing's really changed. So I also think, I'm trying to figure out if it taps the TPO value area low and then it goes, what does that look like for DOT, right? You guys remember when I was doing this, I was like, okay, fuck, man. If I get in at the golden pocket, and then it goes actually down to the range low, right? It's like 3.6%. I don't know if I think I just want to be patient, especially because if Bitcoin's going to do a little bit of a small red dildo, then, right, if it does break or break, then DOT's going to give me what I want. So, yeah. But anyways, we'll keep an eye on S&P. We got Gamma starting to come in. Option flow looks interesting. So, you want to talk about the 28.5 sweep? This is what I would say about the 28.5 sweep. Whether you're looking at volume profile or you're looking at TPO or anything in general, I think it's pretty agreeable, right? I don't think it's like really interpretive. I don't think it's an opinion to state that there really is no support between 28.5 and like 27, right? So really the only long, in my opinion, that you could take in that 28.5 zone, LPZ, it has to be a swing failure pattern. So understanding that there's no support below 28.5, understanding that it could just trap a whole bunch of people trying to play sweeps, that's probably one that you don't want to blindly enter. It's a little bit different when it's the first tap and you have a single print to guide you, right? And like I said, I already took the 28.5 long. So usually the second tap, I'm not taking it. Because it just feels like everybody that missed out on the 28.5 long juice, they're going to try to like blindly knife catch. So I think the alpha is just understanding what's in front of you. You have a higher risk when you're going to try to knife catch. And the only bullish, like it's not going to make like a 1 hour bull div at 28.5. It's not going to do that. I think the best thing would be to play the structure formation on the 28.5 sweep. But yeah, I kind of wanted to go to 27.2 because the 27.2, 26.8 long is way easier than the 28.5 long. Yeah, that would be my opinion, LPZ. And as I've been saying for maybe since last week when I closed my long, I'm looking for shorts. I'm leaning towards shorts. Yeah, so all of the levels, all of the candidates for possible shorts to the upside, I said I would take. The scalp long attempts, I'm not really that interested. The only one I would maybe play is that sweep structure right there. That's about it, LPZ. So I think the alpha is just understanding that there's no support, understanding what your risk reward is, and being able to play it in a safe way. LPZ. I don't think you want to really try to knife catch this fucker. Probably much easier to just wait for the sweep structure, let the low form, so at least you know where your stop loss is. That kind of shit. Yeah. I'm still hoping that this fucker can bounce because I really want to be in one of these shorts, man. I really want to be in one of those shorts. So yeah, there's an interesting like zone for like a TPO value area low. right? But if that doesn't bounce, you know, if it's not a bounce there, then, you know, it's probably going to go to 28.5. So let's watch this, y'all. The math is the math, y'all. Oh, Binance tapped the point of control. Point of control getting broken, getting broken. Let's get nasty. RG Bargy, so blind limit's gonna be risky. Yeah, and I don't think that's an opinion, because there's no support between 28.5 and 27, right? Whether it's TPO or volume based. Oh, look at that motherfucker right there. Did it just sweep the PLPP? Well, let's see. We all know what to look for structure formation. Has to turn back in quick. It has to absolutely turn back quick in. The only long that I would even think about at 28.5 has to be a swing failure pattern. Yeah, and if we keep, or if S&P keeps dropping, then I probably wouldn't even attempt it, to be honest with you. Look at S&P right now. You know, snap dizzle for shizzle. Here we go. TPO. Here we go. Oh, what the fuck? Give it up for Pixel. Ah! Oh, hell no. I swear to God, if it Pixel fucks the TPO, I'm going on a lettuce break. Scotty, when you say swing failure pattern, what time frame would you take, long or short? 1 hour, 5 or 15 minute? And if you're talking about the 28.5, that thing needs to tuck back on a smaller time frame. So 5 minute, 15 is probably still good. Yep. It would be great if we can see it together, but there's been a couple of highlights where we've seen sweeps live. So there's at least 1 or 2 YouTube videos where we got to see the sweep structure live. So you can always go back and look at it, Scotty. But yeah, I would probably say like a 5 minute. So Toad says check dot. Oh my goodness gracious. Yeah. That's beautiful. That's beautiful, man. I'm not in it. This sweep structure isn't gonna hold pretty soon here. Oh, okay. Oh, well, we'll see. We'll find out here in a second. The only way that I would be like, okay, the bulls are gonna defend that is if it gets back into the 29,000 level quick. I'll give it maybe 20, 30 minutes. If it gets back above 29,000 in 15, 20 minutes, then that value area low probably is good. But I don't know where S&P's support is, because it's kind of like, I only really see a gamma at 44. Market maker, you heard that? If you don't get back into 29,000 quick, you're a little bitch. Guy says, would you take ETH at the box? Where's ETH? What's ETH doing? Okay, so with ETH, look, the only long I would think about taking on ETH would be a sweep of that. Yeah, same thing with Bitcoin. It lost, right? So like the 18 is probably the same thing as like the 28.5. But let's just see what the reaction is. Let's not get ahead of ourselves, okay? TPO value area low, okay? If this is gonna hold, you know, you would see a quick reaction back into the zone again. So I'll give it 15, 20 minutes to get back in. I'm talking about 3, 4, 5 minute candles at the most. Go. Who was here at the beginning of the stream? Everything we talked about, you know, whether it was, oh, it's rejecting at golden pocket. Well, you might want to give it some time. When we talk about, okay, if you're going to long from a golden pocket or you're going to short from a golden pocket, what is the thing that we always say that you need in terms of open interest and open interest delta? Was any of that happening? Motherfucker started to look like a bull flag. But anyways, the math is the math. Oh my fucking God. Give it up for the TPOs. And like, I'm adapting. Remember when I kind of got fucked over on the TPO levels and I didn't get my Pico perfect short or the Pico perfect TP? How many times and how many days did we say that moving forward, we really need to pay more attention to TPO levels? Did I not execute that? Did I not put that into play? If the market gives us an opportunity to improve, we got to improve. So I'm doing the same shit that I'm preaching is, you know, like, and there's always room to improve, always room to adapt. The highlights are gonna be sick today because I was like, it's maybe something like this. Yes, 32 minutes until Macaulay. 32 minutes. I'm gonna watch this for a second because I want to see this. How do I? Who getting nasty? Who getting nasty? Who getting nasty? Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Okay, and then how's Biddy doing? Ooh, snippity snap snap diddly. 29 minutes left. Oh my goodness. Okay, same thing. Sweep it, a sweep it, a sweep, sweep. Well, first off, look. I mean, you guys saw me like scrambling live. I don't know. We waited for it, but I still think the whole box gets tapped. I mean, we waited all that time, but yeah, I mean, I think you guys heard it right. Single print at 4.6. So if you look at my average entry, right? Aim for that single print. The real one would be around at like 4.555. Yeah. Let's see what happens. I'm not really interested in that other one down there. It's either this or not. I don't think I would try to long that small little thing. Could be valid, but does open interest look good on DOT now? No, it does not. But do you know when you're supposed to look at the open interest? It's when it gets to a critical pivot point. I'm not looking at the open interest on this move. I'm gonna be watching the open interest on that move, if that even happens. Or I'm gonna be watching the open interest on that move. It's that you're watching the open interest for, that move. This is just, okay, we got some buying coming in, you know, late shorters also getting stopped out. There's gonna be a TPing process that happens. The pullback is always what dictates if it's really bullish or really bearish, because you're getting people stopping out in profit. And so it's the true level of if it's like a bullish level or not. Because you have selling pressure and people that were long that are closing the long. So this is where you know if it's really bullish or not. And that's usually why for sweeps, we use the golden pocket as the invalidation. Yeah, I'm trying to figure out do I want to play that next TPO on DOT? Yeah, why not? How much, oh yeah, okay, that's not too bad. I'm gonna add a little here, and then I'm gonna add a big amount down there. Ooh, look at this box though. Golly, we should have been just maybe an extra little bit patient. I still added a little bit earlier there. Gogi says adding to losing position, because wasn't this the plan? Am I adding to a losing position, or am I letting all the limits fill? Am I adding to a losing position, or am I just sticking to my plan? Come on, baby. Where were you? Mr. Market Maker says, what a pixel box touch. Give it up for the box, motherfuckers. And you're right, those were not my hands. Yeah, so just got here. Yeah, I know, I can tell off of the comments. I know who's been here, who's been gone for a week. Okay. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. The math is the math. I'm telling y'all what my plans are. I said I'm adding a little bit here. I got more at the other at the TPO. Are we good? Yeah. Try to you know, you should understand that I follow my plans, and how long was this box drawn ago? How long ago did we plan for this? Okay. Like I even said, did I get into it a little bit too early? Did I not? So you best believe I'm mentally prepared for it to go to the bottom of the box. I'm not tripping. How is it that I'm in the position but you're not and you're tripping more than I am? Let's get nasty. Come on. Everybody good? I told you guys hours ago that I have my flight coming up, so I got to dip soon, but any questions? Any questions? Don't get triggered emotionally, y'all. Just stick to your plan, execute. Okay? You are literally seeing me do it from start to finish. Okay? Even the part where I go, "Oh man, did I get a little bit impatient and get in too early?" I'm objectively, fully, honestly aware of that, and I just sat here and took it like a man. Okay, so I'm just sticking to my plan. You guys should do the same always. Garrido says that's what it's all about. That's what it's all about, man. That's what it's all about. So we got to get a little bit of a better entry. I still need the golden pocket to get broken as resistance. We have a whole lot of work to do. And if that was the sweep of the sweep, then you already know what it is. So you're already pulling the swing high, swing low. You know, but after that, I really would not, like, especially since it stopped right there on the level that we had planned for weeks. At this point, like, I need to start thinking about putting my stop loss behind that lower low and really not adding anymore. We have one more interesting level at the next TPO, but you can't keep doing a sweep of a sweep, you know? And the more that it does shit like that, it's actually like tippity tap tap. We got Fosher. Are you leaving any limits on Bitcoin? Nope. But I have been super explicit. The only way that you would come in here and be like, "Oh, I'm surprised that you're longing DOT," or you're asking me where, you know, if I have limits on Bitcoin, is because you just haven't been following along. For the last 3-4 days, we've planned everything out. So just to repeat, the 28.5, I am not gonna blindly catch that. I'm gonna let the sweep structure form and I'll take it, okay? I might not even take it, to be honest with you. If I get stopped out on this dot long, I really don't know if it's smart to like travel with or try to trade with the plain Wi-Fi latency, you know? So I'll do my best, but yeah, I mean, I'm not gonna do anything. The only thing that I have limits on since last Friday is the 30,450, 30,500 short zone. That's it. Everything else is alarms, and I gotta gauge it as we get to that level, okay? And you know what? Like, I'm not gatekeeping that strategy. I've also talked about exactly what I would be looking at. Open interest going up, open interest delta going down. And it's at the pivot point, not the first reaction of the level being hit. No real surprises. No real surprises. Okay. Even talking about, okay, if you took that long, you need to maximize profits, yada yada yada, all that stuff. Solar, would you take the last TPO on DOT? I just said no. Okay. The only thing that would make me change my mind, XLR, is if it correlates with the 28.5 sweep of Biddy. But y'all talking about the 28.5 long kind of makes me feel like we're getting fucked. Yeah, probably not, XLR, to be honest with you. You know, we already nerded out and put together this plan weeks ago, right? It would kind of be flippity floppity for me to be like, "Oh, let me include this level too." If anything, how do I use the TPOs? Not so much as entry correlation, but as the stop loss. I'll tell you what, if this dot long works out, if I don't get stopped out before the start of the next stream, let's do like a nice little giveaway. I'm talking like maybe $2,000, $3,000, $4,000, $5,000, something like that, depending on where dot is. So if I don't get stopped out on the dot, we'll do like a $4,000, $5,000 giveaway or some shit like that. Okay. Yeah, today's stream was, I think, really, really, really cool. We got to see a lot of scenarios play out, so we can talk about it and play it together. So whether it was, me trying to explain to you guys why I'm not taking that long, why I rather wait for a lower level for Biddy, Even the whole struggle of not me like FOMOing in too early on DOT, even though I kind of did, but still understanding, not freaking out if it like drops, right? Understanding the levels, how low could it get to? So yeah, pretty cool. I mean, you got to see that whole, that's everything that I just did, everything that I was thinking, everything that I was saying to myself. That's what goes on, when I'm doing it by myself, if I'm not streaming. So yeah, that was really, really cool. All right, let me get the fuck out of here before I really jeopardize getting into this, getting on this flight. So, okie dokie. All right, Market Maker. Well, you already know, Market Maker, when my flight was, so screw you. All right, you guys. Long or short, I'm rooting for you guys, okay? It's not really so much about are you in a trade, are you in a green trade, are you losing? The being able to interpret the market isn't really that hard, in my opinion. Look at the levels, identify the levels, properly assess if it's having a bullish or bearish reaction at those levels. All right, Spacecat says, what's your TP for DOT? I'll probably run it to at least above 5 if I can get it, brother. Okay, but let's regroup. If I'm not stopped out on the DOT, then we can regroup. I doubt that my TP on the DOT is gonna happen between now and tomorrow's stream, to be honest with you. Okay, because I would be still expecting a Bitcoin rotation to the 750. All right, Space Cash. I doubt I'm going to hit my TP levels between now and tomorrow. So as long as I'm not stopped out, we can do a little bit more based off of what happens in the next 6-8 hours, okay? RPM, Saeed, Matt, Master Dog, great stream today. Thank you again, you guys. Long or short, I'm rooting for you guys. Stay safe. The math is the math. All righty. So just like how I'm going to pretty soon here, it's looking good. I'm going to be able to put my stop loss at break even. So it's going to be a free trade for me soon here. So you guys make sure you protect your capital, okay? All right, love you guys, man. Have a great night. Let's see what we have tomorrow. Peace, everybody. All right, Sato, take it away.